thunderstorm watch number 379, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Vero, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Wausau, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, Vermilion, Whitepack, and Woodford, and Clinton, Iowa. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, you should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 81 Lockport.